No matter what kind of business you're in, the cost of your application downtime can damage your business tremendously. Business viability insights for Progress OpenEdge applications help you optimize performance and deliver more value with less effort. Many OpenEdge users do this with diversified application performance monitoring tools. The good news is that the OpenEdge platform now supports the OpenTelemetry Metrics and Traces. It helps standardize how telemetry data is collected and transmitted to backend observability APM tools. This also means OpenEdge can support the Bring Your Own Best-in-Class APM Tools initiative and effectively serve your diversified application performance monitoring needs. The supported observability tools include any open source or enterprise APM tools on the market from vendors such as Relic, Dynatrace, Instana, Datadog, Prometheus, Elastic, and others. A metric is a timed series of data points related to the health of an IT service. The OpenEdge Command Center agents collect valuable metrics from the OpenEdge database and Progress application server for OpenEdge. For example, you can monitor database write and read activities from the new Relic APM dashboard and proactively send alerts to avoid downtime. In another example, Prometheus is used as the backend to receive OpenTelemetry metrics from your production database, showing them nicely in a Grafana UI dashboard. Here, the increased record read activity could be a factor if your OpenEdge application is running slower than expected. A trace gives you insight into where the time is spent delivering an IT service. Distributed auto-tracing from the OpenEdge 12.8 platform enables you to solve a key issue today, the inability to monitor performance of your ABL programs through your APM tool in your production environment. OpenEdge now supports the auto-tracing capability for ABL applications running on the Paths for OpenEdge server. This helps users trace requests sent by an ABL client or Java Open client, which uses the APSV transport. In this example, the new Relic APM monitoring shows a trace started by an ABL client through Paths for OpenEdge, and passes down the tracing context in which it started. The same context is utilized even when the Paths for OpenEdge service calls another Paths for OpenEdge service. The information gathered during auto-tracing can help you pinpoint execution time delays when running your business service, and you can also configure alerts to take corrective action. With detailed trace information, you can address performance issues that may be slowing your application down. The auto-trace capability helps track execution times for ABL procedures, classes, and ABL transaction code blocks. You can also track the duration of time spent by each entity. This provides a holistic way to trace a user action and its execution through all system levels for runtime performance observability. OpenTelemetry Metrics and Traces help your application administrators and IT operations team offer greater insight into their OpenEdge applications at production runtime. Now you can monitor ABL business applications effectively using your best-in-class APM tools. Learn more about OpenTelemetry and other key features in Progress OpenEdge 12.8.